We spoke on the phone with Valparaiso Trucking Corp's owner, Wisner Florestant. After video from the Tennessee Department of Transportation shows the moments leading up to one of his drivers causing a deadly crash on I-75.
The driver is responsible for his action because he's a grown man, he's been driving for years.
An arrest report we obtained says witnesses saw Joseph Antoinier driving erratically before the crash. You can still see the skid marks here on I-75 after Sunday's deadly crash, and traffic slowed to a crawl like this is not an uncommon sight for this area as passenger vehicles and semi-trucks are approaching the split. An Amazon spokesperson tells us the driver did not work directly for their company. He was contracted out through the Florida-based company to make deliveries for them. But we found online records showing Valparaiso has been cited for violations this year, including false logs, unauthorized passengers, speeding, and incorrect license. I asked Florestant about those violations. So you said that there was no history of any of your other drivers having any crashes like this?
No, ma'am, never.
Never. Okay. I did see that there were a couple of violations, like on CDL endorsements and maybe one speeding violation. Was that possibly this one driver, or was it another driver with your company?
No, the kind of speeding violation, but all the drivers, they are owner operated. I mean, they don't drive my truck. I mean, they drive their own truck.
Jay Kinnemer with McMahon Law Firm says what's listed on the FMCSA website is minimum reporting.
It's going to be extremely difficult to find names attached to prior violations or any history with the company.
While Florestant says his company, which currently employs 7 drivers, has operated for almost 9 years without major incidents and should not face repercussions, Kinnemer says
there are regulations that govern these drivers. Not a whole lot of regulations that govern how these corporations are put together, how loose-knit they are.